I'm in the process of restoring these 92, 93 fog lights because they're really nasty. What I did to my last set, I took off the brackets off, opened them up, repainted inside where it looks dirty. And that's what I plan to do with these. Got the bracket off of this one. We're gonna repaint the bracket and the housing. Alright, well, to take apart these lenses off the housing, I baked them in the oven like these. Baked them at 220 for like 10 minutes. With my flathead, I'm gonna be prying it out. As you can see, it's really easy since it's warm from each corner. And just like that, it'll come off real easy. Just gotta make sure you pretty much unclip them, whatever, of these. Be prying it off and just twisting, pretty much. Once you're at this stage, you'll know. Real simple. Now after this, what I want to do is I want to take off this gold rust or brown. I don't know if that's the original or how it's supposed to be, but that also makes it look dirty from the inside. It's usually like this. When you look it up like that. But I'm gonna paint this metallic gray so it can look cleaner. It's how I did my other set I have. Alright, well, now that they're taped up, I taped up all the reflective chrome because I'm gonna paint this bottom piece and top. Maybe this too. Yeah, probably I will right now. And I'm gonna paint it with metallic aluminum. That way it won't look dirty or ugly, rusty from the outside. I already got 2 coats on. It's already looking more cleaner. But obviously you could choose whichever color you want. I like this color. This is the same color I'm going to use to paint all the housing from the outside. This is the back side painted. Now I'm getting the brackets cleaned up so I can paint them. I'm going to paint them glossy black. Just like that, no primer. Just clean it with the rag. Not too picky. Just so it could look better than that. Little rust. After I got the brackets cleaned up, just sprayed them real quick. Like 2 coats. You could add clear coat. I'm just gonna leave them like that. The last process to clean up the lenses, I first cleaned them up from the inside, washed them up, soap, water, outside. Then I sanded it down with Well, I bought this Meguiar's kit headlight restoration. I think this is 1,000 grit, and then 3,000 wet sanding, and then I polished it. This plastic cleaner and polish. I don't know if you could tell the difference on my phone, but it looks more clear. This is the one I did. This is the one I need to do next. And then after that, put them back on. After I painted them. How I sanded them down, I used 1,000 grit with this that comes with the kit. Wet sanding all around, every corner, except the inside, because the inside has little lines inside that you can't reach. So don't do the inside, just the outside. 1,000, and after that, 3,000. It's all messed up, but yeah, still works. And after that, it turns out to be a little foggy. That's normal, because I'm gonna polish it right now with this clear plastic and polish. And after that, I'm gonna use this headlight protectant on both lenses to help it maintain the clarity. After polishing the lenses, now I'm gonna put them back on to the housing. Some people, they just stick it back on and put it back in the oven and let it heat up, all the glue to stick back on. But I'm gonna use this instead, the silicone adhesive, and go all around, all even. And then after that, just put it in place and let it dry. Just put the adhesive all around, and I squeezed it all together. Make sure these clips they go over that little rivet. They look way better than before. Alright, well, this is how it turns out. The back side, front side. Clear that looks, reflective. Don't forget to use the headlight protectant at the end. Just put a little dab, microfiber towel, clean it up. Use it once in a while to help it maintain its clearness. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys later.